Novautek Technologies Group, a Hong Kong-listed innovative technology services group, is at the forefront of global technological advancements, specializing in intelligent product manufacturing and services. Leveraging its leading autonomous driving technology, the group has successfully developed the Novautek Autonomous Driving Series, tailored for industrial, commercial, and specialized environments. Our products offer intelligent solutions across a wide range of applications, including cleaning, security, transportation, warehousing and logistics, and mining. With 12 autonomous driving products in 4 major categories already on the market, we have garnered widespread acclaim from customers worldwide. The group's global operational headquarters in Wuxi has established 5 core service centers: the Novautek Supply Chain Management Center, integrating supply resources and driving on-chain collaboration; the Novautek Global AI Operations Center, enabling more convenient, efficient, and accurate global sales through innovative applications of AI technology; the Novautek Global Digital Innovation Center, bringing together digital innovation power to lead business model transformation; the Novautek Global Brand Service Center, dedicated to shaping an outstanding brand image and enhancing global influence; the Novautek Global Live Streaming Center, showcasing the charm of products quickly reaching global users through innovative communication methods. Novautek Technologies Group has formed close strategic partnerships with global leading cross-border, warehousing, logistics, and settlement supply chain service providers. By building a global digital sales and service platform, the group provides 24/7 operational services to customers through data integration, data operation, and data management. Novautek is firmly moving towards its version of Made in China, empowering the world. Novautek Manufacturing, intelligent solutions for a global future.